today's topic is all about clarity. And this is number one thing in the Embry program. If you have read the handbook or if you have been a one-on-one client, you know that we are huge on clarity, because if you don't know what you're aiming for, then you aren't going to be able to get there. It's like a missile. A missile knows its target, and it knows exactly how to get to its target, right? So that's exactly the same for your health and fitness goals. So one of my favorite quotes is clarity is power. And it's power because it unleashes those desires in you. In order to know what you want, you have to like write it down. That's why we have you create a health vision board in the health affirmations, your healthy why statement. Get it outside of your brain on into the physical world, and it's going to help you so much. So, like I said, if you haven't already done this, make sure you do that first week. Do your health vision board, do your affirmations, get clear on what it is that you want. And subconsciously, you will automatically start caring more about your goals. So the number one question, me and Tammy talk about this a lot, like on Instagram and things like that. The number one question we get from women is, how do I stay motivated? I don't have any motivation. And the answer is I like to kind of redefine that question is, how do you motivate yourself to keep going? And that's through your desires. You're not going to work for anything that you don't truly desire. So you need to figure out, what is it that you desire? Not everyone has, the same body type goal or the same weight or the same physique that they want. Get clear on what it is that you want. And a lot of people talk about, ideal images on Instagram or Pinterest or whatever. And I think that you really need to just get clear on what you want, what you desire, and to know and to be confident that you can create that. You, like we talked about, our affirmation for today, you are the creator of your life. So you need to figure out what type of health and fitness is right for you. You might see some skinny twig, Instagram model, but that might not be what you want. And you don't need to compare yourself. You just need to figure out what you desire, what is right for you in this stage of your life, and things like that. And be confident that you can create that for yourself, is what I'm trying to get to. You can create that, and you can stay motivated, and that your vision board and affirmations and your goal card are going to help you stay there. And in these meetings, make sure you attend the weekly meetings. It's going to be every single Monday. It's going to help you stay accountable and motivated for your goals.